Hello, my name is LaVeta Hayes, and my passion is financial education. I am a proud world system builder with WFG and WSB, and we are on a mission to educate and empower 30 million families by 2030. I would like to personally invite you to our Thursday night free financial workshop, always online. In these workshops, we offer financial information and answers to our questions that the community needs to know. The monthly topics are building a strong financial foundation, proper protection, building wealth, asset accumulation, retirement planning, wealth preservation, increased cash flow, debt management. We are here for you, community. Learn more and sign up online 24/7 at www.livinglegaceswithlaveta.com. Reminder, the financial workshops are every Thursday, 7 p.m. See you soon online.